Opposition parties are maintaining a cautious silence on the question of legislation of same-sex marriages in India with the matter before the Supreme Court. The Apex Court on Monday referred the issue to a 5-judge constitutional bench after the centre opposed same-sex marriages and urged it to leave the decision to the parliament. Barring individual voices, leaders in most parties speaking off the record said they would rather the Supreme Court could set the bail ruling by pronouncing its verdict either in favor or against same-sex marriages, like it had done in the case of Section 377 of Indian Penal Code. With the government dragging its feet, the Supreme Court had in 2018 scrapped the section that criminalized homosexuality. So already the Supreme Court has decided and it doesn't ask the government in 2018. So what's the point in asking the government in 2023 while it comes to the legalization of same-sex marriages? This was the question raised by a largely community in India. Actually, it was the year 2018 when the Supreme Court struck down the IPC 377 to decriminalize homosexuality in India. The Congress has enthusiastically welcomed the judgment. But now the Congress is maintaining silence when it came to the same-sex marriages, to legalize same-sex marriages. And while asking a senior leader from Congress to know what's the party view in the legalization of same-sex marriages, the very important and a senior leader from Congress answered that it is hardly an issue to think about now. I am repeating his word. This is hardly an issue to think about now. Actually, this is very surprising that the important opposition and the National Party of India is making so irrelevant and negligent statement while coming to the rights and life of minority peoples of India, the minority gender of India. The reports also mentions that some of the leaders argued in private that same-sex marriage was an alien concept and issues like this didn't figure in the agendas of their party. Among those that openly backed same-sex marriages is the Communist Party of India. A senior leader from Communist Party of India, Brinda Karat, who said, I'm quoting, "We support the rights of same-sex partners to get legal recognition of their relationship as marriage. The court must intervene as the present government has made it clear that it does not support such a right." Earlier too, the Communist Party of India were the only party to take a clear-cut position supporting the decriminalization of same-sex relationship when the Delhi High Court first ruled in the year 2009 that consensual intercourse between two adults was not illegal. The Supreme Court endorsement took another 9 years to encourage the same judgment. While asking about the view of Congress in this matter, Congress Lok Sabha MP Shashi Tharoor said he could not speak for his party, but he would certainly support recognition of same-sex marriages in India. He said, after seeing how that works in Indian society, same-sex marriages might be permitted, but denying civil rights to such partners is wrong and unjustifiable and should be remedied without delay. This is what his words. His party colleague and Lok Sabha MP Manish Tiwari said he will support same-sex marriage in his personal capacity. He said, I'm quoting, "I do not speak for the Congress. My personal view as an MP is that after a 5 constitution bench of the Supreme Court read down Section 377 of the Indian Penal Code unanimously, there is no criminality if of the same sex cohabit. Under those circumstances, a law that legalizes the relationship should be a natural cause." This is what his statement is. So many parties, even the Regional Party of India, were not also ready to make any statement, whether positive or negative, regarding the matter of legalization of same-sex marriages in India. Like the Congress, other parties too ducked the question. Another leader of a party from the Hindu heartland said he personally believes that the government should act the reality and legalize same-sex marriages, but could not command his view since he felt that party may not share his view. Bharatiya Rashtra Samriti's Rajya Sabha MP K. Keshav Rao refused to comment, and same as leaders of Aam Aadmi and Shiv Sena. Legal recognition of same-sex marriages is a fundamental right of those people. As a Congress leader rightly said, Shashi Tharoor, it is the civil rights and denying those rights, it's like violating their fundamental right. I was very shocked why the opposition party were not making any noise in this regard. I think because India has less than 0.01% of homosexuality and those homosexual voters doesn't make a huge change in politics. Personally, I couldn't get why they are making a dumb answer and the silence. Thank you for listening. I'm Navina and you're watching English Sangadi. Make a comment and share your thoughts.